I'll also be sharing with you my experiences, the things I did to take my skin from this to this. Skincare is actually a journey and a process. My skin went from this to this. My skin went from this to this. Not only the usage of skincare. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the things you should start doing to have a beautiful and glowing skin. I'll also be sharing with you my experiences, the things I did to take my skin from this to this. If any of this is you, sit down because I have something specifically for you. So the first thing you need to do if you want to have a fairer and glowing skin is, one, you need to start taking herbal tea, or let's say a detoxification tea. That is one of the things I know that you will do to take your skin from point 0 to point 10 or point 100. I do this every morning. In my cup here, I usually take this in the morning. Here with me, I have like a turmeric and black pepper. Sometimes if I don't take this, I go ahead and take the soursop leaf, or if I do not take that, then I will take the lemongrass tea. Those are the things I usually take every morning, and it has really helped me in my skin because it worked from the inside. These things help you enough, like it helps both your inside to your outside. Yeah, this is one of the things I do. I take this, and I tell you the fact that when you take it consistently, you will see maximum results. So if you want to start having a fairer and glowing skin, incorporate taking herbal detoxification tea in your skincare routine. Let me have a sip. It's not that sweet, but it's worth it after all. Please take it when the water is warm, not hot, so you burn your tongue. Okay, next thing you need to start doing to have a beautiful glowing skin is, first of all, you need to start having your shower 2 times a day. Incorporate having your shower 2 times a day. Whether the weather is cold or the weather is hot, no matter the weather, just make sure you take your bath 2 times in a day. That is one of the things that helps me to have a beautiful glowing skin. My skin did not just go from this point to this point without doing any work. I did some work, and these are the things I'm sharing to you are tips that I know that I've done and that have helped me. When you start taking care of your skin in a different way, you see different results. When you do that, seriously, you're going to have a very nice skin because your skin is going to be looking bright. It's not going to be looking dull anymore, and it's going to look so vibrant because you're already washing out any dirt from your skin. So incorporate showering every morning and every night, or you can take more than that, but at least 2 times, and you're going to see results. These are one of the things that I did that helped me, because before now I'll be like, oh, I did not go out, why should I shower? You just use your body like that and just sleep. But immediately I started doing this particular thing, seriously, it was a game changer. So if you want to have a brighter and beautiful glowing skin, please incorporate having your shower 2 times in a day at least. Okay, the next thing you need to start doing if you want to have a beautiful glowing skin is you need to start taking your skincare routine seriously. Yes, I have a reason for saying this because skincare can be like, when you look at the steps of how to lay out the product, it can be so tiring, sometimes. But when you know, okay, this is what your goal, you want to have a beautiful glowing skin, you just know that, oh, whether you like it or not, you just have to do it, right? So taking your skincare routine serious is very, very important. Like when you take care of your skin, you feel good, about yourself, because when you go out, people will compliment on your skin, people will keep staring at you because, one, you have a nice and beautiful glowing skin. So these are one of the things you need to start doing to have a glowing skin, and trust me, you're going to see results. Like, if you're consistent, you're going to see results. Consistency is key. I have a friend that I got some product for, and she was like, oh, these things, I'm not used to it. I say, yes, you have to start. By the time you do it the first day, do it the second day, do it 1 week, you'll get used to it and you'll start loving your skin. And she was like, are you sure? I said, yes. Just start doing it. Yes, it may be daunting at first, but when you keep doing it, you will see results. There's no magic about all these things. When it comes to skincare, it's a process, and apart from being a process, it's a journey. So you have to take it one step at a time. Okay, the next thing you need to start doing is you need to start drinking enough water. I cannot stress this enough. Like drinking water is very, very important. Drinking water is something that your skin is going to love. Incorporate drinking enough water, at least 2 liters and above a day. Water is very, very important. The time I started drinking water, I started taking water seriously, because before now I didn't like to drink water. Before now I was like, oh, I don't like taking water. But immediately I started incorporating drinking enough water in my skincare routine, making it like a lifestyle. I kind of see remarkable differences. Water is very nice. Please try and start drinking water. It's not that hard. Okay, you can drink 10 glasses of water at least. You can drink 2 liters. Just make sure you drink enough water. Water helps you to detoxify your system. It helps you to cleanse your system, and it helps to improve your skin look and your skin texture, and it also improves your skin radiance. So make sure you drink enough water, and trust me, your skin is gonna love it. All right, the next thing you need to start doing if you want to start having a beautiful and glowing skin, you need to start eating right. I will not stress this enough. This is what has worked for me. Trust me, this particular thing have worked for me, and I really want it to work for you too. When you feed your body with the right thing inside, it's going to affect your skin. When people look at your skin, it's going to show. Okay, so eating right is very, very, very important. You need to start incorporating taking oranges, taking carrots, taking fruits, taking vegetables, and you're going to love it. Some people will be like, oh, fruit is expensive, but if you consider the health benefits, you know that it's not actually expensive. So you need to incorporate eating healthy, eating right. That is eating fruit, eating vegetables, eating nuts, anything that you know that has life and is going to rebuild your system or reset your system or nourish your system. Please go for it. There are certain things I don't eat. Don't worry, in my next video I'm going to make a video about things you need to stop doing to have a glowing skin. So watch out for that video. You can even do it on a budget. You must even break the bank to eat good food. You can start with taking oranges, like your local vegetables, like maybe ugu, pumpkin. Just start with those things that you can find around you, and make sure you eat enough fruits and vegetables. Okay, the next thing you need to do if you want to have a beautiful glowing skin is you need to start exfoliating your skin 3 times in a week. Exfoliation is very, very important. I know how exfoliation has helped me a whole lot. You need to start exfoliating your skin. You need to start exfoliating 3 times in a week. But if you have a sensitive skin, please limit it to once in a week, but you will still get your desired result because of your skin concern. A lot of people will be like, oh, I've been using this product, it's not working for me, I'm getting that, I'm not seeing results. Are you actually exfoliating your skin? I made a detailed video on how to exfoliate your body and your face. I'll link the video up here. Please watch it, and I'm very sure this video is going to be very helpful for you, because I gave a detailed description on how to actually exfoliate your skin. So please click the link and watch this video. So exfoliating is very, very important. Exfoliation is a game changer. When you want to have a glowing skin, you need to start exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating will help to remove dead skin cells from your body. It's going to help to brighten your skin, and going to help any product you apply on your skin will work effectively. I didn't wake up one morning and have this skin tone. I had to work on it. And one of the work I did on my skin was exfoliating my skin. So if you want to have a beautiful glowing skin, start exfoliating your skin. You don't have an excuse. There are affordable scrubs, there are good scrubs you can use, and make sure any scrub you're buying is scrub that contain active, so it will help to also brighten your skin. Okay, another thing that will help you to have a beautiful glowing skin is you to start double cleansing. Double cleansing is very, very important when it comes to having a beautiful glowing skin. By the time you double cleanse your skin, seriously, you're going to see remarkable results, because your skin is going to appear clearer, brighter, and even. So, and when you now use any product additional to it, it's going to work effectively. Please practice double cleansing your skin, and seriously, when you do, you're going to love it. Okay, so make sure you double cleanse your skin. Don't say that, oh, that's, I just went out, I didn't, there's no dust on my body and my body is neat. You don't know the amount of dust your body accumulates when you go outside, even when you're in the house. Okay, so make sure you double clean, especially when you go out. Anything that take you out and bring you back, please make sure you double clean, so to clear out all the dirt from your body. Okay, the next thing you need to start doing if you want to have a beautiful, clear, glowing skin is you need to start exercising. Exercising is one thing that I know that if you incorporate, it's going to help with your skin, to help with your metabolism. So if you know that you want to have a glowing skin, please try and start exercising your body. No matter how difficult you feel that is, just try. When you try the first one, try the second one, you're going to see remarkable difference. When I said exercising my body, going to the gym, I kind of love the way my skin feel. Like my skin feel brighter, firmer. Incorporate exercise into your routine. Okay, next thing you need to start doing if you want to have a beautiful glowing skin is you need to start changing your beddings regularly. Our beddings accumulate a lot of dirt from oil, from our skin, dust, and the whole lot. So you need to change your bedding regularly. Your pillowcases, your bed sheet, you're going to love it. And if you're looking for how to get a quality bedding, there'll be a description down below of a page you can check very good bedding, which is my brand. Okay, so if you want to get a very good quality bedding, please reach out to me and I would make sure that I tend to you and give you very good quality. Okay, if changing your bedding regularly is going to be a game changer for you, especially your pillowcases, your bed sheet. Please change them and you're going to love them. Okay, the next thing to start doing if you want to have a beautiful, clear, glowing skin is you need to start applying your sunscreen. Please apply your sunscreen. Apply sunscreen in the morning. Some people be like, oh, sunscreen makes me sweat, something makes me dark. No, apply the sunscreen that is perfect for your skin type and your skin tone. There are a lot of sunscreen that will match your skin type. Just make your research and go for the right sunscreen for you. That's one of the things I know that will help you to have a beautiful glowing skin. This is one of the things I started doing to take my skin from where it was and to where it is right now. So make sure you apply your sunscreen. Alright, the next thing you need to start doing if you want to have a glowing skin is you need to have days for break. Just one day in a week, or one day in 2 months, or one day in 2 weeks. Take break from your skin. Like allow your skin to breathe. It can be just one whole day and you just be like, okay, today I'm not going to do any other thing. I just want to rest. I just want my skin to breathe. And your skin is going to love it. This is one of the practical things I do. Like I give my skin break. Like I can use product for 2 months, then take a break. Then I'll not use any product again. Start showering and using maybe body oil for that time. So my skin will be in order. Okay. So make sure you incorporate taking breaks into your skincare routine. Not every day we combining your skin with different skincare products. Sometimes just like take a break, like okay, today I'm not going to apply anything. I just want to do it. The next day I'll take it up. Okay. So guys, have you got to this point? If you have, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So guys, which of these things have you been practicing? And which of them have worked for you? Please do well to comment down below. And if you know anything that works for you and you know that have changed your skincare game, please do well to also comment down below. So guys, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can also watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.